Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we will learn how to send Gmail using Gmail API. So let's get started. First of all, go to Google and type Gmail API. Click on this Google for developers. Click on guide. Click on quick start. And here you can see different languages are there: JavaScript, Java, Python, AppScript, Go, Node.js. We are going for Java. Click on Java, and there are some prerequisites: Java 1.8 or greater, Gradle 7.0 or greater, Google Cloud Project, and a Google account with Gmail enabled. What does that mean? A Google account, you should have a Google account from which you want to send the email to another email. So for that, here are the steps. Enable the API. So first you have to enable the Gmail API. Click on enable the API. Here you have to choose the account from which you want to send the Gmail. Enter the password. So now you are signed in with that Gmail from which you want to send the mail. Now click on create project. Write name here of your project. You can give the project name whatever you want. Click on create. Just wait for a few seconds. Now click on next. Click on enable. The Gmail API is enabled. Now go back to the this developer.google.com. Next step is configure the auth consent screen. For this, in the Google Cloud Console, go to menu, EBSS auth consent screen. Either you can go like that, or you can click on this. If I click on this, it will open this screen. Or if you do not want to click on this and go back. Enable the API, click on enable the API. Click on this icon, click on API services, and click on auth consent screen. After clicking this, click on external, click on create. Here provide app name, where give the name whatever do you want, and here select the same email ID from which you have logged in. Here give the developer mail ID, or you can give the same ID also. Click on save and continue. Just wait for this completing process. Save and continue, save and continue. Back to dashboard. Click on publish app, confirm. Now go to credentials. Click on create credentials. Click on auth client ID. Select the application type as desktop app. Give name here. Click on create. Now download the JSON file and name it something. So I'm naming it as credentials. Click it. Go to wait. I think the file is downloaded somewhere else. cut, downward, paste. Yeah. So copy or cut paste it. I'm cutting it and pasting it in my project. Paste it somewhere in the folder like that. After pasting it, what you have to do is go back to the developer screen, and here you can see some AP dependencies are there. You have to add these three dependencies in your POM XML file. If I open my POM XML file, there are three dependencies, 1, 2, and 3. And two more dependencies you have to add apart from that. And these two dependencies are these. After adding the dependencies, now here is the code of Gmail API. This code is given by developers itself. You don't have to change anything in this part and in this part. What you have to change is credential file path. The credential file path is where you have stored that JSON file. So test node credentials. And this is the token directory path. When you run your code for the first time, a token will be generated in the same folder, or you can provide another folder. But I have provided the same folder, that's why now you don't have to change anything in that code, in this code. Now go to another code, which is Gmail sender. This code will send the Gmail to another Gmail. So here I'm using, don't have to change anything here. This is get random. This method is generating random number. This method will send the email. Here provide the email to which you want to send the mail. Here just remain it as same me. Here provide the body. Body context is empty. You can provide the body whatever you like, or whatever the requirement you have. Now don't have to change anything else here. And for subject, you can provide subject here. This is my subject and this is get random method, which is called from here. Now what this method will do, it will send the Gmail 30 times. If you want it 10 times, put here 10. If you want it one time, put one time, and then call this method send email. Now when you run it for the first time, let me run it for the first time. It will ask for the verification process because you have to create the credentials. Now click on that test domain email, click on advanced, click on code IntelliJ save, click on continue. Received verification code. You may now close the window. Now close this window, go back to the screen, now run the code again. So here I have provided one email. Let me show you the email on which I am sending the mail. So this is the email which I have to send. Sorry, on which I am sending the mails. Now go back to the code and run again. Here you can see the subject is test QML and 7623. This is the subject name. Now go to the Gmail ID and here you can see test QML 7623 and the body content is empty. The body content is empty. Now if you want to send mass mails, how will you do that? Just increase the number and run the code. Now it will send 10 emails on the same mail ID. So these are the 10 mails which we have sent. 747302241. These are the subject of the mails. Let's go back to the mail ID and check whether we have received or not. So here we have received 10 emails. So that's how you can send mail ID using Gmail API. Sorry, mail using Gmail API. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. I will give answers. So that's it. Thank you for today. Thank you for joining. Please subscribe and like my channel.